Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the beeping sound when you repeatedly press the Shift key in Windows 10. So let's get started. First, head over to the search bar and type Control Panel. Once it appears, click on it. Next, change the View by option to Category if it's not already. Then, click on Ease of Access Center. Now, click on Make the keyboard easier to use. Here, find and click on Set up sticky keys. Make sure to untick the option to turn off sticky keys when Shift is pressed 5 times. Then click Apply and OK. Next, click on Set up filter keys. Untick the option to turn on filter keys when right Shift is pressed for 8 seconds. Again, click Apply and OK. And that's it. The annoying beeping sound should be gone. I hope this solved your problem. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.